You searched how to buy shares of Electro-Sensors Inc., a company that makes industrial sensors and measurement equipment. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ELS. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ELS to locate Electro-Sensors Inc. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange. Open the stock page to review the company's summary, sector information, and the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker ELS to ensure it's the correct asset. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest and set your order options. Then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms. Once your order is filled, a position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to open an account. The link is provided for convenience.